Hi, this is the Google Pixel Fold, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to scan QR codes with the Google Pixel, you should open the control panel and find here scan QR codes icon. If you don't see here this icon, tap to this edit one, then scroll down to the QR code scanner section, hold it and just drag it to this up section. Go back to save the changes, then just to scan your QR codes, hit the scan QR code icon. Okay, so we should, don't forget, just to open the device. Let's tap to QR codes. On the one.